Alright guys, so back working on the drift car. What I was running into at the last event was my PCVs were basically failing. Either they were being stuck open or stuck closed. Anytime that I showed you guys before in the previous video, that if you shook it, it would just be stuck. It wouldn't be making like a clicking sound, like the valve wasn't opening and closing. So what we're basically doing now is just canceling them. So what you can do is you can actually like take out the PCV valve itself, put like a bolt in with some Teflon tape or whatnot, plug it up, and then the other side you'll basically just cap off. What we did instead of doing all that is we just capped them off. So here's your PCV on the side of the plenum. So this is on the passenger side on left-hand drive. So if you look here, you're going from the throttle body, follow the plenum down, bang, and you'll see it right around this corner here. So this is your PCV valve, and typically you have your hose. And so all we did is we grabbed some rubberized caps here. So this is your PCV hose here, and all we did was grab some rubberized caps right here and some clamps, and that's all you got to do. Is literally, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is get the hose off. Once you get the hose off, all you got to do is just grab that rubberized cap, clamp them down, bang bang, and your PCV is deleted. So Andrew's out here, he did the wonderful driver's side, which was more of a headache just due to the fact that your wiring harness, where it clips up here, it actually is in the way pretty bad. So it's kind of a freaking bitch to get at it. But once you get it out of this clip here, so running along again from the throttle body back around the plenum here, you're gonna unclip it from there. Then you're gonna have your hose running from the front of the car to the back of the car. This hose is the actual hose that came off the driver's side. The passenger side's one's pretty easy, but this one has a slight bend in it, so it's kind of tough to actually get it off of the actual PCV. But once you do it, it's literally the same exact thing. Grab two rubberized caps, cap them off, and then just grab the clamps and clamp them down. So if you can see, I wanted to focus, there it is. So right there, that's that one. That's the back, and that's the front. And it's a pretty simple delete on a car. So this is just helping improve crankcase ventilation, and so you're not getting as much blow-by within the intake system. So mainly what I was running into, and hopefully you guys can see in here, I'm gonna see how I can get the light in there for you. It's gonna be tough because the angle. So if you can see all that crap in there, if you guys can see it, all that oil and crap in there, that's what we're running into an issue. So we're gonna clean all that out and put our balance tube back on, and should be good to go. Alrighty guys, so what you're looking at here, so this is the passenger side PCV like tube, and this is the driver's side PCV tube. So basically they have all the mechanisms inside the tubes that actually help with oil transfer, with separate valves besides the PCV. They're actually in here. So yeah, but I mean, these are totally fine. There's no issues with these. It was just the actual PCV valves itself that were the issue. So like I said, after capping it off, me and Andrew actually just went through, we checked everything out. I like took the car for a little rip, and no more blue smoke, and no more smoke coming out the hood. So yeah.